Welcome to Casket of the Day, where this week is your mum week. Sorry, easy week. Yes, I made that joke twice this week, and I am not ashamed. I might even go for a third. We're going to be opening 10 easy caskets. I was supposed to say that earlier, wasn't I? Got too into the intro. Anyways, crack all these open. Pray for some big, fat, stinky logs. No. Oh, no, got a nice pair of skinny jeans though. Very nice. Trash. Rubbish. Ooh, do like a bit of some gold trimmed. I'm having some deja vu here, man. I'm pretty sure it's exactly how yesterday's video went. No, more skinny jeans. No, and no. Medium casket. Oh, not great. We've already had that before. Nice wolf mask though, and a big fat poo. All right, hard casket. Praying for some third age. Oh, alcohols. Alcohols.